Hello to all my friends out there. Hi, you guys. Today is day 2 of the non-diet day. So I have some hamburger that's part soy. And I just fried it. And I try to break it up, you know. I have some minced onion. A little crushed red chili pepper. And some garlic pepper. You don't have to use salt because someone told me the garlic pepper has salt. So I just want to add a little chili powder. I don't want to invest too much money into this burrito meat. This is going to make one nice big fat burrito, just like a big fat hamburger. Well, kind of like I think it needs a little more chili powder. So my burrito is pretty much good to go. Okay, so now, one only has so many spatulas. Okay, now I bought flour tortillas, and after I open them, I keep them in the refrigerator. The camera is at a very awkward angle. So if you get a few of these, you know, really, if you're using the soy meat, it is not significantly more expensive than the beans. Not really, if you're putting cheese and everything in the beans. So it's probably enough meat for 2 burritos, but since I'm watching the carbs, not too closely because, you know, I don't have to diet today. I don't want to anyway. Okay, so let me move over here. So, for a good burrito, you know, they're so much better if you make them at home, and they're so much cheaper. So I want enough cheese on here. So I hope everyone is doing okay. You know, at night, oh no, my cheese has gone down south. Rats. Well, I have a different kind of cheese. Let me find it. Where's my cheese? Okay, so now Walmart. So it's going to taste so much better with a little cheese. It could just be hamburger and salsa. That would be good. It doesn't have to have cheese, but if you have cheese, I think it's probably a good idea to stockpile some cheese because probably all the beef products might be spiking. Remember these? I don't know what happened. I only have one left. Okay, so my tortilla is looking good. Okay, so now I want to put my beef on here. These hamburgers only cost about 60 cents. You could make 2 if you weren't conserving your carbs. And then I have some salsa. And I have some guacamole that I can put on there. And then I will make my little salads that I like. Welcome to all the newcomers. Okay, let's see. So we'll just have a little salad. And then what is really good is some Parmesan cheese. I could put this on my burrito. But I think I'm going to eat it to the side. And then what I like on it is balsamic vinaigrette dressing. I took a lot of stuff out of my refrigerator, so I should be able to find stuff. So this gives me a little good vinegar. Oh, I got somewhere with this collagen thing. Okay, the hair and nails and I think skin vitamins are the collagen vitamins. But now, you know, because of this collagen craze, they're a little bit expensive. So there is my tasty burrito. So, okay, so that is tasty. So, you know, I'll put to the side. I hope everyone's being careful. You know, I was walking by the barber shop, you know, on my walk. Oh, today I tortured myself way over 2 hours. I don't know how I can do it to myself. And I heard the men saying, well, something's going to get you. But if you do the social distancing, I hope it's not the coronavirus. Some people are expecting the coronavirus to mutate. I hope not, but I wouldn't doubt it. Okay, so no. So here you have it. This is good, and it's what, $1, if that. And so I made some tea, some of this organic tea that I got for $1. That stuff is really, really good. And so I want to drink, you know, this tea I made yesterday. I don't know if you can see it, but this is like the best tea I've ever made in my life. I hate to drink it up. It was so delicious. Now what? Now what did you make, Rhoda? Well, guess what? Guess what? I made some tasty Thumbprint cookies. And the reason I made them is because at some point I bought these Kisses half price. Okay, Thumbprint cookies are really, really good with jam. I had strawberry jam. Things don't have to be expensive. And so what I'm doing is I'm making stuff using, what I did is I saved all the, you know, butter that's rolling around in the refrigerator in the freezer. I also have in here, that's bacon grease. Save your bacon grease. I hope you never need it. Okay, no. So, that is what I'm having. My secret, I have two secrets. One, I use margarine on the cookie sheet. And two is I use Mexican vanilla. So here is my tasty meal. Yes. The cookies are still really, really hot. Okay, now. I discovered something. Okay, what I discovered was yesterday there wasn't any potatoes. And I thought, you know, 5-pound bags of potatoes at the dollar store. And I thought, uh-oh, this cannot be good. I knew about the potato famine in Ireland, but I didn't know that much about it. The potato famine lasted from 1845 to 1849. That's a long time. And what caused it was failure of the crops. Okay, here they just didn't send the potatoes to market, and they put them in big holes and covered them up. As to why they didn't save them for seed potatoes, I don't know. So today I went and I bought two 99-cent only bags, 5 pounds. These are nice looking potatoes. But now the potatoes are $1.50. So they were, now you might think, oh, that's only 50%. Well, let's start just adding that 50% on food. So for 10, it's $15. For $100 worth of food, going up 50%, that's $150. Okay, so now the potato famine was really, really bad because the people relied on corn, oats, potatoes, wheat, and milk for their nutrition. So I would take note of these items, and I would stockpile up on them. Here's my thumbprint cookie recipe. If you want the whole recipe, go to Rhoda Stone Twitter. Just do a search, Rhoda Stone Twitter. Okay, so now, I bought 2 bags of potatoes for $3 instead of $2. So I got 10 pounds instead of 15 pounds. That's not good. Okay, I wanted to get some big gallons of dish soap at Walmart, and they didn't have any. And so I bought this for $1. I bought 2 of them, $1 each at 99-cent only. I'm going to be looking for gallons. I might have to go to Costco. Then I was in 99-cent store, and I bought dented cans of oranges and fruit cocktail. And I bought some juice for 50 cents. So I'll throw it in the bedroom, and if something happens, I'll be glad I have it. They're saying expect a food shortage. Now I bought 2 bags of cashews. These were $1 each. You need nuts and you need fish in the diets. And then every time I go to the store, I notice they have these for $1 each at Walmart, so I bought 2. So usually I will buy 2. And then I bought 1 package of the Walmart macaroni and cheese. Because if I had to eat this stuff, it wouldn't be that bad. It's good. Okay, so now back to the Pioneer provisions. Okay, so we want to consider flour for bread, dry beans, rice, sugar, coffee, pork, and water. And then we want to consider corn, oats, potatoes, wheat. Our wheat is being sucked up by the Chinese, and milk. What good is the oats going to do you without any milk? I guess you could eat them. What if you don't have any nuts either? And then we want to consider the chuck wagon stockpile list. And one of the things is we want to get dry fruit that is going to be shelf stable. Cheese in the freezer. How about potatoes? Cornmeal, just like, on the, it was corn, but cornmeal. Flour for milk, beans, molasses, you use that like sugar and in your beans. Salt, pork, and vinegar. You need vinegar to keep you from picking up disease. Now, let me taste my burrito, and I will tell you. This is not the best hamburger I ever tasted, but I'm very glad I have my freezer pile full of it, just in case. It's no more expensive than those dollar burritos, you know, the bean burritos. And as for the cookies, I will be making some more cookies and treats for the next 3 days. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Now listen, you guys, if you've been following me and you don't like my video, and I gotta beg you to subscribe, or I got one dimwit that watches continuously and gives me a thumbs down, I don't know what I can do. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.